Shit, that is good. Hey guys, Coach Ben here. What is happening today? Today, we've got the new toy. Check this bad boy out. The new Cosori air fryer. Well, I say new, they have got a newer version out, which is the Wi-Fi model, which has got like an app and stuff, and you can plug it into your phone, but I didn't really fancy that. But this bad boy can fit a whole 5-pound chicken in, and yeah, so I've heard some really good things about it. I thought it would be a really good one to put on here and basically take you through a quick unboxing and basically, yeah, just show you how it works. Tonight I'm going to do myself some Nandos chicken in there, which I think is going to be the bomb. We will find out. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. So straight out of the box, obviously we're going to have to take some cellophane off it, but you get the general gist. Let's get this in the kitchen and check it out. Okay, so we've got all the plastic out of it, so I think it's probably a good idea to just actually have a look in the book. See, before I start pressing the button, what we got to do. Okay, so they give a very handy little guide in here anyway. So, looks like for best results with our air fryer, we're always going to preheat it. So, we should be able to just hit preheat. And then we want 195 because we're doing chicken. And then hopefully we just hit go. And it starts to preheat. So, first meal, we are going to do some Nandos chicken. So for this, I'm going to just use 2 chicken breasts, and I'm going to use the Nandos rub, which I get from Muscle Foods, which is really handy, bag and bake. So literally, we are going to take our chicken breasts, we're going to chuck them in the bag with the sachet, give it a bit of a shake. By then, this bad boy should have warmed up. I'm going to treat myself tonight. I'm going to put some fries in as well. So 195, and we're going to leave that in there for a bit and see how it comes out. So yeah, let's prep this chicken. So we've got it ready, giving it a shake, we'll wrap it over. That is our chicken, ready. Gonna use some nice skin on fries tonight as well. So I make it real simple in here anyway, but basically what we're looking at is 195 degrees C for 25 minutes. Handy because that's going to be the French fries as well, although we're going to do a shake for that. So we're going to pop that in. So right, so the beeping now is telling us that it's all preheated, so that's all good. So now we can just chuck our chicken, chuck our fries in, hopefully hit the chicken button, come back halfway through and shake it, and we're all right. So let's see. Okay, so chicken and fries are in. They seem to fit in there okay. So let's see if we can now program this bad boy. So back in it goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change it from chicken to fries because it will cook at the same temperature, 195 for 25 minutes, but it will also give me a shake alert halfway through. So I shake the fries, make sure they crisp up. So we're going to do that. Hit go. Right, so if we work all right, we should come back. Well, halfway through it's going to beep. I'll give it a shake and then we'll come back and we should have some amazing chicken and some really amazing fries. So let's see what happens in 25 minutes. Okay, so it's just started beeping at me and I don't know if you can see, but it's now telling me to shake. So I guess we better shake it. Just going to use a, wow, they are crispy already. Woo-hoo. These are going to be nice. Right, back in. It's automatically kicked in again. So we got 13 minutes left. We'll wait for the final beep and see how amazing this tastes. I'm going to come back just before. I'm going to chuck in some microwave steam bag veg because I can't be bothered to use the steamer tonight because I've got all of this stuff here. So yeah, I'm going to have a lazy good meal tonight. Okay, so 3 minutes left. So I'm going to chuck some steam bags into the microwave, nice and easy. And that should time quite nicely with this little lot coming out and we'll see just how nice and crispy it is. Okay, so we are finished. Heat tray ready. Wow. I don't know if you can see those bad boys, but they are looking pretty damn crispy. Oh, they are amazing. Oh, wow. Okay, so really hot, but those fries are crispy as. So, chicken's in here. Not that I don't trust it, but first time doing it. I'm going to heat probe the chicken because I want to make sure that we've reached 165. Put the veg in some more. Okay, so we've got our chicken in our bag. Oh my life. Honestly, I wish you could smell how good this was. So, we good. Always worth checking. Oh my God. All right, let's get this chicken out. Like literally, these fries are just, well, you can probably hear, amazing. Cheeky steam bag of veg. Boom, look at this bad boy. That is some food I'm looking forward to tucking into. Okay, so, left my fork. Need my fork. Right, let's check this out then. So, we've got crispy fries. I mean, these are the fries I normally get, and I'd chuck them in the oven. They would not come out that crispy. Bear in mind, I've not put any oil in this. So, if I put a couple of sprays of the like 1 calorie spray, it probably would have come up more, but that doesn't really bother me. And the chicken, nice and tender. Now this is the medium Nandos, which I'm being honest is still pretty hot. say what you want, but I still think it's quite hot. So I wouldn't want to go hotter than the medium. But I get really funny with raw chicken, just don't like it. But I don't like buying the pre-packaged stuff just because it's all battery farmed. The quality of it's not very good. Whereas with these chicken breasts, they're bigger chicken breasts. Buy them in bulk from Muscle Foods. You get a big box of them, you freeze them, just get them out in the morning. And like I say, the reason I love these bags is A, you get a cheeky Nandos, but a healthier, at home Nandos. Plus, because you're doing it in the bag, you're not having to mess around with raw chicken breast as much. So you can just kind of chuck it all in, prep all your chicken in there. Like I say, vegetables, I'd normally steam in the steamer and have some broccoli and things like that. Asparagus, but today, because we were using all of the space up, I've literally just chucked in a steam bag. There is nothing wrong with steam bags if you want to get your veg in. This stuff is really good. You got to remember it's frozen at source. You cook it in the microwave, which steams it, the nutrients go back onto it. So the only time you don't really want it is when you're boiling veg, but there's nothing wrong with frozen veg. You're still going to get nutrients from it. So you heard it first. That is good. It's just these fries are just so crispy. You know those purchases that you get and you think, why did I not get one of these ages ago? Mental. The other thing that this gets, so I did quite a bit of reviewing and checking the reviews before I bought. They have got so many good reviews. And the other thing that they give you, which I was having a flick through when we were cooking all this, they give you a 100 recipe guide. So also you get a load of presets. So all we did was use the preset on there, but you can override it and you can manually change a load of different things. If you're cooking your own little creations, you don't have to use their presets. You can set your own stuff in, or if you like your steak cooked not as long as they do it, you can adjust the presets in there. So that's pretty good too. Really pleased with this so far. Like I say, I only literally cooked this one meal. I've opened the box, taken one little look at the instructions. I've not really been through it all. I will have more of a look. I've got some ideas for some really cool recipes that I'm going to be doing in it, which the air fryer is really going to help with. But yeah, really impressed so far. So if you're new here and this is the kind of thing that you're into and you want to get those new recipes, then consider subscribing. If you like the video, make sure you smash the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Shit, that is good.